everyone, it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I have 3 new polishes from Paint It Pretty Polish to review for you today. If you've never heard of Paint It Pretty Polish, it's a Canadian company. It's originated in Beamsville, Ontario. So I always love finding Canadian companies. I have done a few reviews for them already. I'll link the videos down below. They are all fly-free and cruelty-free polishes, which is always great. And they have a website on Etsy, which I will also link down below. I really enjoy all of the polishes so far that I've received from them. They're always good quality, and I love that they are a Canadian brand. So I was sent over 3 new polishes, which are for Spring by Sherry. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about them, and we're going to swatch them up. So these polishes will be released on March 23rd, so that is tomorrow, because I'll be posting this video the 22nd hopefully. So they're spring nail polishes, and they're also color changing polishes. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about each polishes as I swatch them. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So the first polish I have here is called Spring is in the Air. So it is like a pink. It is $10, and this is a pink when warm, or pink when warm and bright pink when cold, and it has a blue shimmer to it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch it. So I'm gonna just do the first coat on camera, and then I'll do probably a second because it's kind of on the more transparent side, but that's okay. And you can actually already see that blue shimmer coming through. So that is what one coat looks like, and I'm just going to do the second coat because I think it needs another coat. Alright, so that is what 2 coats looks like. It looks pretty good with 2 coats. You could do a third. The way to test is when it changes color. So I'm just going to go get some hot water and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so that is what it looks like when my hands are hot. It almost kind of looks white on the end, which is kind of cool, but it's changing back already. I like it though. So yeah, there it is again. So it's kind of like a light pink. I think I probably would do a third coat just because it's kind of light and it kind of shows my nails underneath. So I probably would do a third coat just because of what it changes to when it's actually warm. But it looks neat. I like the white on the end. It looks cool. So there is, that is what Spring is in the Air looks like. Very pretty. And that is what it's like when it's cold. So I did do a third coat. So that's 3 coats of Spring is in the Air. So we're going to move on to the next color. Again, this one is $10 and you can purchase it on their website. Alright, the next color is called Cool Waters. It's a light to medium blue with a pinch of hollow and illusion flakes. It's also packed with aqua, royal blue flakes, shifting from blue to purple flakes. So it's got a lot going on in this polish, but it looks really pretty. So we're going to go ahead and try it. So this one is Cool Waters. Alright, so that is 1 coat of Cool Water. So I'm just going to do a second coat and see what it looks like. Alright, so that is 2 coats of Cool Waters. As you can see, it's already changing from the light blue to the medium blue, but I'm still going to show you what the whole nail looks like as light blue. So just be right back. So that is what the whole nail looks like with just light blue. You could probably get away with just 2 coats, I think, for this one, because it has the different glitters and stuff in it, so it's kind of more on the opaque side. But I like this one. I think it looks cool. So now I'll show you what it looks like with the actual full medium blue, since it kept changing. So that is what the full medium blue looks like. So really pretty. I actually really like the color of this blue. So that is Cool Waters, and it is also $10. Alright, so the last polish I have is called Lilac Petal. So it's gray when it's warm and it's light purple when it's cold, and it has scattered hollows in it. So let's get started and see what it looks like. I like the light purple. Alright, so that is a 1 coat. So I think I'm going to do another coat and see what it looks like. Alright, so that is 2 coats. So 2 coats look pretty good for the purple. So now I'm going to see what the gray looks like. And that is what the gray looks like. So I think 2 coats is really good for this polish. Yeah, so that is all 3 of the polishes I was sent by Paint It Pretty Polish. They are all $10 and they will be available on March 23rd. So this is her spring collection. I really enjoyed all of these polishes. I think my favorite has to be probably this one, the Lilac Petals, because I really like grays and purples together. And I think that was my favorite. I would definitely recommend them. I usually like to try and find new indie polishes. I don't have a ton, but I always like to find new ones. And I like these ones, so I would definitely recommend them. They're really pretty polishes. And yeah, they're $10 Canadian on the Etsy website that I will leave down below in the description box. So thanks again, Sherry, for sending me these beautiful polishes. You always do an amazing job, and I always like all of the names of your actual polishes as well. But yeah, so that's all I have for you today. As always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.